Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to make a vellum Christmas card. I have made a couple of the steps ahead of time, and so I'm going to show you what I've done. I took a piece of vellum and cut it the size of my card, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. I ran the vellum through the Big Shot in an embossing folder. And this is what I got. So I want to use the area that is the roughest. That is the embossed side. I'm going to take some Incredible's white ink. I believe this is called Arctic White. And I'm going to take and just lightly go over the top of my snowflakes, because I want my snowflakes to show just a little more than what they're doing right now. So I just go lightly over it like this. And now it's a little easier to see the snowflakes. Now, if we were to put the vellum directly on the card, the glue is going to show unless I use brads, which I don't want to use brads. So I'm going to show you how to put this together without the glue showing. First, we put the card out of the way. We're going to work at the top, and then we'll put the card on later. The first thing I'm going to do is take my snowbank. I've got a snowbank here, and I'm going to decide how I want it, whether I want a hump there or a hump in the middle or whatever. And I think I'm going to have it like this. And I'll cut this part off. Now, what I'm going to do is just let it sit there like that. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not going to glue it. You don't want to glue it yet. I have two trees here. One I have put a little white on, and one that is green, and I haven't put any so-called snow on it yet. So we're going to take the same ink pad and just lightly go over the top of the tree. And I don't want to put too much on it. I don't want it to look smeary, but I do want a little white to show that it might have some snow on it. There are other ways of putting snow on your objects, but this is the easiest for right now. Now, when I get through, I'll show you a card I did without putting snow on the tree, and you can decide which you like better. Okay, now we have not glued anything. I'm going to put this back where it's supposed to be. There we go. I'm going to put my tree here, maybe up a little bit. I'm going to put this tree down a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is glue my tree. Remember, the bark, the snowbank is not glued on yet. And I'm putting glue on this. But I think I could, well, I won't do it this time. You could also put dimensionals on this. So we'll have this tree here, supposedly on a snowbank. Now I'm going to put some glue on the next one. And you don't need a whole lot of glue. And we'll make this tree kind of up a little bit, like he's in a distance. But I still want him to be on the snowbank. So we'll put him like this. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my sentiment on. And I want this to be about here. So I'm going to put a little glue on it. Now remember that the snowbank is still not attached. I'm going to kind of put this over to the side, and if it looks like it's going to cover up the tree, I'll lift the tree up a little bit so it's on the edge. Okay. Next, I'm going to put my words or my sentiment on. X. And I have a choice here. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Well, the last one I made had Merry Christmas on it. So this time, I think I'm going to use Happy Holidays. Let's see how that works. That can be put on at an angle, like that. Or you can put on straight. Okay, my letters are real small, so it's hard to kind of glue. So next, I'm going to use my X. This is my Xyron X, and I use this for everything. That it's small. Ribbon and small words, small letters, numbers, and everything. And you run it through. And as soon as you get the other one halfway through, you can start the other word. Bring it on out. And you tear it off. We rub it down so that it's nice and sticky. Pull off the top plastic. And we take the word holidays and put that on about here. And the word happy, I'll put about here. Okay, that's an easy way of applying your letters. Keep in mind that our snowbank is not attached yet. Now, you're probably wondering how we're going to do the snowbank. What we're going to do is turn it over. Now, if I put glue down here at the bottom of the tree, and I'm holding it up a little bit so I can see the trees better. I'll put it here, and of course I'm going to come up the tree a little bit with some glue. And if you notice, I'm putting glue on everything that's on the front side. Now, what I'm going to do is put my snowbank on. And I'll turn it over. And it's glued in place. And have glue on everything else. So I'm going to take my card, and I'll cut the snowbank off in a minute. Put my card on. I've got to do one more thing. I've got to put some glue on the snowbank. Let's see if I can get it to come out a little better. Straighten it up a little bit. I've got glue on the other side. I dropped a little dab of glue here. I'm going to put some more on my tree. And a little on this tree up here. Now, I have glued everything I've put glue on the back of everything that's on the front. And I turn it over. And put it on my card straight. Make sure my snowbank is down at the bottom. Take my scissors and cut the extra little piece off. And there we go. We have our card. And you cannot see any of the glue. There's no glue here holding it on, but there's glue here. All of this is glued on. You can't see any of the glue on the snowbank because we put the glue underneath the tree. And that is my vellum card. Now, here's one I made, kind of as a sample. I did not put any snow on this one. But I think I like the one with the snow. You have a choice of whichever you do. But as I said, the main thing is you're going to work on the top first, then put glue behind whatever you've worked, whatever you put on the vellum, and that glue will not show. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please come back and see me again. I will be doing another card on vellum, another Christmas card, next week. So have a great crafting day. And don't forget, please subscribe. Bye.